In addition to EnvisionTEC's Micro line is our new cDLM, which stands for Continual Digital Light Manufacturing. This is a breakneck speed printer that has an incredible high resolution. The benefit of the new cDLM is the fact that you could grow a model in 10 to 12 minutes. Gives you an added level of professionalism and just sizzle to the presentation to the consumer to verify the fit and comfort of the design. We have incredibly fine supports that won't interfere with design geometry. Literally, you could print, invest in cast, and cut out a whole day to a day and a half, again in your manufacturing time. The resolution is spectacular and just the speeds are unheard of. This is going to revolutionize the way you interact with the designer and the manufacturing team. cDLM is just at a whole new level with that EnvisionTEC quality that we've been known for.